Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today, we will be going over basic guidelines installing the Arnott remanufactured front air strut for the Mercedes-Benz R-Class W251. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly, and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, set the steering wheel to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle and remove the front wheel. Next, disconnect the air strut's electronic wire connector located in the fender well. Disconnect the sway bar end linkage from the shock. Next, remove the lower shock mount bolt and nut. Now, remove the control arm nut and separate from the upper arm. Remove the wire harness mount from the shock. Then, disconnect the airline at the top of the strut. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Remove the 3 strut top flange nuts and remove the air strut. The removal is now complete. Install the Arnott front air strut in the reverse order of removal using the supplied cable tie. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the Mercedes-Benz air strut with an Arnott remanufactured air strut. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.